Hi, it's Ken with Petersen Brothers Construction out here in Twin Falls. We got our third tilt up going out here in Jerome with Jerome Readiness Center. A little over 50,000 feet. It's quite a unique building. It's anything but a cube. It's quite chopped up, and it's got very much so the architectural design out here.
So Ken, what are some of the newer technology that Petersen Brothers as a whole has been embracing with the tilt up, specifically this one?
One of the newer things we've been a big fan of is the GlueDown product with the reveals, edge form brackets, the glue in itself. It's helped speed up the process quite a bit. I've noticed a substantial increase in production as far as getting the double chamfer glue down for all our commons. And once again, setting all the edge form brackets down a day in advance. And then the next day, it's more or less a blow or go. You kind of take the thinking process out of it. The way it releases from the slab, I'm very satisfied. Basic scraper from Home Depot picks it up. I've been very satisfied with the last couple projects I've used GlueDown on.
And then this is a big important one to me. What's been your experience with GlueDown as a company, aside from its products?
GlueDown, like I said, I'm sitting right now here with Cliff. He's been my salesman for the last couple tilt-ups. He's passing through town. He stops by. He doesn't hesitate with an email or a phone call. Working through weather, snow. Sometimes we have some hurdles and speed bumps to get over. And honestly, he doesn't hesitate to come out here and basically get on the end of a caulking gun, get on the end of a cleaner, and assist us in gluing down. So if we do hit a hiccup, he does not hesitate to come out here and basically get all hands on deck and figure out what we got to do to keep the project moving.
Awesome, Ken. Well, I appreciate you always taking the time and answering my phone calls as well.
Absolutely.
And we'll get some shots out here the next time I'm out this way, and they got it all stood up and looking pretty. We'll see you guys.